And I think, if I remember, I came here like, what, 2 months ago, and these were on sale. Like 69 bucks. This one's on sale. This go for 100. This go for 100 bucks. 129. I think these usually. Oh, these are the Vapor Max ones. I wasn't even paying attention. These are down to 59. Dang. We just saw these at the outlet just like 100 bucks. Damn. Oh, 100 bucks. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're at the mall. Go check out some shoe stores. We got a shoe palace, I believe, at this mall, and a Finish Line. I think the Finish Line's inside of Macy's though, and those are always a little suspect. But hey, let's go check it out. Go check it out, you guys. At Shoe Palace, you guys. Let's get some deals in here. Let's go see if they got some deals. All right, this is the Jordan area. This is usually where we start. These are the new shoes, you guys. These are the new ones. They kind of feel like the UNC blue, but just red. You know, these haven't sold out. Probably going to be pretty similar to the UNC ones. They do look nice. The leather's on point. The patent doesn't seem super thick. But it looks alright. Looks alright. I am a fan. Hopefully I can get these on sale eventually. Because I am cheap. That's what I do. So we checked those out. Alright, you guys know these go for $190, the Royals. I can't believe we saw these at the... I saw one of these at the outlet, or a couple of these at the outlet. That was kind of crazy. That was pretty dope. I'll put a link to that. They always got a sale thing. So did this normally come out at $200 and they already put it down to $190? If any of you guys know, let me know, because I've been to a couple of places and they've already had that sign on there. It's kind of weird. Alright, so nothing's totally special. These are going for $139. This is a smaller size, which is interesting. So they might have a full size run. Go for $150. Not bad. The Jordan 13 curves. People were asking me about this. Someone was asking about this, and these are down to $150. They're down to $150 from $225. So might be that time to copy, guys. Damn, have these been selling well? Because look, this is a big size. Usually that means they don't have. That's interesting. Usually that means they don't have a smaller one. They usually try to put a size 8 or 9 out. Interesting. They got the Lakers and the capping out 13s. It's going for $200. I think these are $190. Yep, $190. They do have a bunch of the Hydros, but none of them on sale. Well, they got the 7s. These are always, I feel like these are always on sale, but they got the cement 4s. They got the bread, Hydro bread 11s. Okay. These are bread 11s. Yeah, these are the bread 11s. Okay. I actually haven't seen these. I don't think I've seen these at most places. And they got the same white cement 4. I don't think they have any more. Oh, those are the only ones. I was hoping to find one of those on sale. So you can flip those online easily. They kind of got the standard Jordan ones that everybody else got. And I think, if I remember, I came here like, what, 2 months ago, and these were on sale. Like 69 bucks. Going for sale for $69. That's just crazy. I don't know how many guys really want to walk the pink shoe, but 69 bucks, that's crazy cheap though. Crazy cheap. I think this is one of the premium leather ones too. This one's on sale. This is going for $100. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, they're going for $100. That's one of the premiums, so that usually goes for what, $160? Not bad. I do have a decent selection of the Team Jordan shoes. Let's see. What are these going for? Because we saw these at the outlet just a couple days ago. Okay, $50, still not bad. We saw them for 50. I think, or were they 60 plus 40? I think they were 60 plus 30% off. Yeah, so not bad. Because that's about $45, so not too much more expensive. They usually always got some Air Max on sale, so let's check some of these out. Let's go for $100. Air Max 95, not bad. 129. I think these usually. Oh, these are the Vapor Max ones. I wasn't even paying attention. These usually retail for 190. Let's go for 130. Damn, see the prices, man. The prices are just crazy here. Crazy competitive. Air Max 97. These normally retail for what? 160? Go for $90, dude. That is crazy. That's crazy. I don't know why my camera won't focus, but yeah, that's crazy, guys. What shoes does the top look like on these? Yeah? These remind me of one of the old school shoes, old school trainers. But yeah, $100 for a Vapor Max. Dang, that's crazy. These are down to 59. Dang. I think these normally go for what, 110 or something? Dang, that's not bad. Not bad. These down to 100, 270s. Those down to 100. I think we finally saw these at the outlet for a little bit less. And these are down to the Volt colorways down to 90, which is crazy. Not a huge fan, but that is a crazy price. Then I got the white ones for $100. Not bad. We just saw these at the outlet, just like $100. Damn. I don't remember them being cheaper than that at the outlet. Hey, that is crazy. These come back to retail, 185. Lebron 16 lows, these all black, down to 158, back to 158, 159. So I think I've seen these cheaper here. Those are a little bit high for me. I really don't feel like trying to get up there, but yeah, I think those are down to $100. Not bad. These Kyrie's down to $100. This the what colorway is this? I don't think this is the Mamba Vitality one, is it? I don't know, $100 though, man. That's crazy. Friends colorway still go for 129. Got the Giannis and the PGs going for retail. Checking this clearance section right here. Look, Puma, Clyde. They have a collab with Big Sean. I didn't know that. Yeah, normally 110 go for $40. $40, dang, not bad. Air Force One for kids. Got the V-Day, $30. That's legit. The Big Fund. That seems kind of pricey. I don't know. The Air Max 95, kids, going for $40. Seems like most of the stuff here for kids, the sale stuff. These are just, yeah, it looks like all this is for kids. Oh, $100. Oh my goodness, look at that. UltraBoost 2019, $100. Holy crap. And this colorway too. We got two different colorways. Just the third one? Third one, $100, you guys. Holy crap, looks like all the 2019s, $100. That is crazy. Whoa, that's nuts. That's nuts. What's this? The Pure Boost DPR, $100. Not bad. I've seen them for way cheaper at the outlets. I think the Nike outlets, the majority of the Nike stuff, I've seen for cheaper, but yeah, no, the UltraBoost, the 2019 UltraBoost, that's just, we've never seen it that cheap. Look, the retail's $180. The white one's the only one going for regular price. And I think the all black colorway, but yeah, all those $100. That is nuts. That's nuts, you guys. All right, so we're gonna try to hit up Finish Line. It's in the Macy's, and it's currently 7:45 on a Saturday, and yeah, this mall closes at 8 o'clock. So what mall closes at 8 o'clock? Like, I don't know, on a Saturday. Like, I thought it was standard for every mall to be open till, what, 9 o'clock at least. So yeah, so we're gonna see if we can check out that store. So we are here at the Finish Line. This is one inside Macy's, man. I so did not know that. Yeah, so I so did not know that. Man, look at this price, man. Oh, $150, okay. $150, not bad. Definitely not close to Shoe Palace. You just go for retail. There's a lot of retail stuff here. Well, I guess it is a retail store, so I guess. So it's new arrival and then 25% off. How is it at 25% off if it's a new arrival? New arrival, that's weird. That's weird. So it's what, $45 off? So $135? Not bad. Yeah, the sale section's, I don't know, looking kind of sad. The only thing that stood out, I was like, what? Nike Dunk? No, not really. This is just a Nike. Could be like an Lebron or something. It doesn't have the holes and stuff. Slightly tumbled, slightly tumbled leather. $60. It says normally 75, so not even much of a deal. Got some Epic Reacts. Go for 80. Oh man, dude, it's like tough to come to these places after you go to the Nike outlet and find 50% off stuff. 50 to 60% off stuff, man. That's nuts. Dang, right here, this is 12 to 13 sale section. Apparently, yeah, there's no Nikes on sale for you, apparently. Yeah, they got some cases for $30, 29. Got some Pumas, but yeah, nothing. Nothing, apparently. Not for you, people with big feet. Not here. All right, let's check out their heat wall. Apparently, this is their heat wall. We saw these on sale earlier. These, same thing, different colorway, same price. I have no clue what these are. The Acme? I don't know. Am I tripping, or is this like just pretty much the same as Kohl's and like the low end places? Not that it's bad, but I just thought this was Finish Line, which usually has top of line stuff. Yeah, I don't recognize anything from this heat wall. Guess it's not really a heat wall. Okay, I found the Nike SB section, but not really, because these are the same shoes there. Yep, I was right. The Lebron low, and these actually aren't that bad. I just feel like I've seen these for like $40 at the outlets, so they're actually not terrible, but still. Oh, look at that, a little different. Okay, these are definitely not one of the hype shoes. Yep, definitely not hyped. These are like one of the only shoes I recognize on this hype wall. But yeah, $125 for, that's retail. Those aren't even one of the cooler shops. Okay, you know what? I got a little something. Air Max 90. Just all black. I don't know. I usually like all black shoes, but I don't think it's really hitting with that one. Yeah, this is kind of a better colorway. Yeah, alright, not bad. Alright, that's the last time I'm ever going into a Finish Line at a Macy's. I don't know if you guys have ever visited a Finish Line Macy's. Do you guys know, was that janky, man? That's wow, that was pretty bad. Like I think I would have had a better chance of going to Marshall's or Kohl's, man. It felt like going to Kohl's. But yeah, yeah, usually we see a lot more heat than that. If you are into these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you don't judge me on this video because it was very disappointing. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And yeah, see you in the next one. Promise it'll be better. All right, so we're like walking out, and yeah, apparently the women's section, they got their own Finish Line section. I don't know, it's weird. It just seems like the Finish Line is just like a little section in the women's and the men's shoe department. That's weird. Let's take a little look, objective look. They got the night joggers on a slight discount, $100. Not bad. Okay, this is like totally Kohl's-esque because they got all the renews. They don't even have the React, they just got the renews. That's disappointing. Okay, 25% off this NMD. I think those we're looking for, but not terrible. $270 going for retail, $150. All right, that was equally disappointing, you guys. Yeah, just as disappointing as the guys section. Yeah, all right, we know better not to go into one of those. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.